Cutting Versetta stone can be done with a variety of tools: grinders, wet saws, circular saws, even sliding compound saws equipped with diamond blades will cut well. It's recommended that cutting be done outdoors unless you have engineering controls in place to contain the cutting dust, and proper respirators should be worn during the cutting process. A minimum of an N95 NIOSH approved respirator should be used. To create an outside corner, cut a universal panel into two pieces. This will yield a right and a left side corner for an inside or an outside corner. Place the factory edge and project it past the corner the thickness of a standard stone panel, but a standard panel behind it and adjust it for a good fit. You will need to remove the side tongue on the standard panel to get a tight fit. Finding stud locations and snapping or drawing vertical lines over the weather barrier to show the framing locations will help ensure that the fastening to framing is done properly. Take the time to mark the locations. This will speed the overall installation process. Fastening for Versetta stone needs to be done with corrosion-resistant fasteners with a minimum 3/8 inch head and a 1/8 inch shank. When you have pieces over 18 inches, you need to use 4 fasteners, and a minimum of 2 should penetrate framing members. If you cannot get 2 fasteners into framing, then you'll need to add an additional fastener to that panel. Therefore, finding stud locations will assure a proper installation. In the field, use standard panels. Interlock the side tongues for a tight fit. Seams in the panels should be randomly placed and separated vertically by a minimum of 8 inches for your best results. Inside corners are formed by installing the factory edge of a universal corner first, then butting a standard corner to fit. The factory edge of a universal corner is designed so that the stone butting into it will fit tightly, giving it a more natural look. The stone can be installed right to left or left to right, giving flexibility to the installation process. The stone for an outside or an inside corner, use a matching paint to color the cut end. Spraying from the back will prevent overspray on the front surface. Here you can see a universal corner on the left and a flat panel on the right. The universal corner is easily identified by the shorter maroon top flange. Looking closely, you can also see that the very end of the corner panel has a consistent projection to allow the inside corners to fit tightly.